Today I am going to show you a variation with the skirt and blouse. I've done the shoulder pleating. The description of this pleating is given in the description box, which I've shown in my previous video. So let's get started. So first we are going to take the edge of the saree, make a pleats, normal pleats. The front, almost in the middle. Secure this part with the pin. Take this part. Put it inside this. Take the front part. Make a cowl-like pattern and insert in the middle. Now we are going to take this whole part in the front, taking both parts. We are going to start making pleats together, like this, like a box. These are called box pleats. Look of this draping. Put a belt over here,
and this is the final look.